back from the grocery store. I didn't vlog much because it's a Sunday and grocery stores naturally give me anxiety, so didn't vlog anything. So first things first, we got removable hooks, face razors, Kinder Bueno. How many packs did we get? We got 4 packs. Mini chocolate chips, because we're going to be making cookies today. Tenderloins, pre-made rice. Now, we're Indian. I wouldn't really show this, but our mum's been out of town and we've been using packet rice. I know how to make rice, but this is just Venice's work, so don't come for us for using instant rice, okay? Caesar salad, pre-cut iceberg lettuce, because I'm gonna have a baguette for lunch. Onions, broccoli, potatoes. I think we got eggs, plain flour, milk, because as you saw this morning, I ran out of milk for my coffee. Brown sugar, mini vanilla cokes, garbage bags, which are scented. If you're not using scented garbage bags, what are you doing? Waffles, wraps, and finally, Up and Go. Vanessa, because I don't like these. We are gonna get baking in the kitchen. Things first, mixing bowl. I just realized you can't see anything that I'm doing, so I'm gonna bring you guys down a little bit. We need 2.5 cups of flour. I need to figure this out because I don't know what I'm doing. Sift together the flour, baking powder, and set aside. Okay, so we're gonna need 2 bowls. 1/4 cup of caster sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar in a bowl, and I'm just creaming this together. Beat in vanilla pudding, stir in eggs and vanilla. Okay, so this is the vanilla pudding we use. So we're gonna do half of it. Oh, it smells amazing. So let's beat this.
You know we have an electric one, right?
I know, but it's all, look how soft it is.
Yeah, damn. I'm really bad at doing that.
So now we're stirring in the eggs and the vanilla, and I'm putting 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, if I can open it. Ugh. All right, cool. This is like concentrated. It says to stir it, so I'm gonna get a nice little mixing spoon. So now we're gonna pop our flour mixture into our wet mixture. Okay, so now I'm adding 2 cups of the chocolate chips, and I'm just gonna stir this into the mixture. Alright guys, this is the first batch of cookies. I think they turned out really good. And this recipe, they don't like spread out as much. Like, you know, when you sometimes make really thin cookies, they spread. So you can actually put these quite close together on a tray. And yeah, they stay in shape. I'm now ready for dinner. I've done a really natural makeup look. And I'll show you my outfit in a second. But Nisa and I are going out for a very, very early Sunday dinner. So that's what we're doing. And I just slicked my hair back because I need to wash it. It's okay, it's just a black dress. It's nothing interesting. Where's it from?
Some brand off the Iconic.
It's from the Iconic, but I don't know. You cut the label off, didn't you?
Sure did.
Yeah. Nisa cuts the label off of all her clothes, but I'm borrowing this dress because I didn't really want to wear anything. I just wanted to wear something flowy and comfy. But yeah, we're gonna go now. I'll see you guys there. You wanna wave? We are back home from dinner. It was really good. But now I need to put my cookies away because they've all cooled off. So they're gonna go in our cookie jar, which is drying over here. And we actually started watching Aladdin last night. So we're gonna finish that and yeah, Lisa's gonna go shower first. Why is my face blue? Oh wow, it's the lighting. Good morning guys, happy Monday. I didn't really vlog much of the rest of our night because we basically just came back home from dinner and watched the live action version of Aladdin, which I think I mentioned last night. And yeah, had an early night because today is Monday. I want to sit down with you guys and actually talk about why I wanted to start my vlog channel again and like my vlog journey. So I've got my coffee here. I'm literally just chilling in my pajamas. I need to wash my hair, but I just wanted to do this now because I know that if I continue with the vlog, I'm just gonna forget to like talk about anything. But yeah, I basically just wanted to sort of sit down and film vlogs again. And I don't really know why. I just woke up one morning and was like, I want to start my YouTube channel again. And I remember I uploaded like 2 vlogs. I like uploaded 2 vlogs last year, and I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to start like vlogging last year, but I feel like that was probably one of the toughest years of my life. Probably one of the toughest years of my life, and I don't want to get into it in this vlog because we're keeping it light, we're keeping it airy. But yeah, last year was just so difficult on many levels. I think personally for me, you know, still happy, still grateful, have my family, I have everything I could possibly want in life. It was a mentally and physically draining year for me, but in saying that, it's also taught me so much. 2023 taught me so much about myself, about what makes me happy, about the people that I surround myself with. It's taught me so many things. Next week is my birthday, guys. I'm gonna be 25. I'm gonna be 25 years old. Like, when did that happen? When did I become old? When did this happen? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be 25 in like a week, and I think this is the first time in so long where I have felt like myself, like I have felt my age, which is so strange because ever since I turned 18, I was like, I do not sound like, I do not feel my age, I do not look my age, I don't feel it, like but yeah, for some reason this year I was like, oh my god, yeah, like I feel 25. And it got me thinking about all the goals, everything that I want to achieve in 2024, and one of those things was to start vlogging again because I genuinely enjoy it. Like, I have such a good time making these videos, editing these videos. Like, it used to bring me so much joy, and the fact that I stopped doing it because I felt so insecure about myself, about just everything. Like, I feel like I was naturally quite a confident kid. Like, I didn't really care about what people thought, so I started vlogging in high school, which is so scary. Like, I can't believe I even did that. Like, kudos to me, because if you told me that right now, that you were going to start a channel in high school, hats off to you. You should go out and do it. So the fact that I did do that and I didn't give a shit about what people thought is so funny. I just wanted to start filming again, and yeah, welcome on this new journey. Let's enjoy it. And yeah, I don't really want to ramble on for too long, so let's get started with our Monday. I'm gonna drink my coffee and enjoy the morning, and then I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right guys, we are back in the kitchen. The day's kind of gotten away with me, and it's already 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock already, and I have to start prepping for dinner tonight. Nisa is coming home from work, and she has an online uni class at like 6, so I have to make dinner before she gets home. I also look really tired. I am a little bit tired, but tonight we are having a very simple, basic dinner. We're having jacket potato or baked potato, whatever you want to call it, but the first thing I have to do is actually, these take a while to cook, but I need to clean off the skin and like kind of scrub these so they're nice and clean. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back here and we can make jacket potatoes together. Okay, so I've just towel dried and cleaned the potatoes. Now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to each of them. We've also just had our entire house cleaned, and I'm already in the kitchen ruining it, so I apologize to our cleaners because I can't really help it. I have to cook. Like, does anyone else feel like that way if you get like your house cleaned or something and then you have to like kind of start messing it up again a little bit? It's actually been pretty fun having this time to like cook in the kitchen, because if you guys don't know my mum or my family, you will know that she is like the world's best cook, and so is my dad. My dad's a pretty good cook, so the fact that Nisa and I have been able to like get in the kitchen and actually like do learn recipes and like have a bit of time to just, you know, cook for ourselves, it's been really fun, I have to say. Okay, I'm just coating this with salt. And I know that people put like baked beans and like cheese on their jacket potatoes, like that's like the British way of eating it, or they do like pulled meat. I personally, like Nisa and I are kind of boring, and we only really put cheese and garlic butter on our jackets. That is what we do because we're a little bit boring. We eat a lot of fun and creative things, but when it comes to our potatoes, we just like the cheese. Like, that's the best part. So always love being in the kitchen and making an early-ish dinner with you guys. Alright, so now I'm just waiting for the air fryer to heat up, and then I'm gonna throw these in. Alright guys, here's our potatoes. Now, oh, I should probably use tongs, I'm such an idiot. Okay. Now, we're gonna throw these bad boys, oh shit, okay, that's slippery, into the air fryer, which I heated up for like 15 minutes. Okay, there we go. Yay! Okay, and then I'm gonna pop this away. Gonna put these in for like 50 minutes.